And now it's time for the Sea Lions Flash. I am Principal of the Day, Cecilia Von Schwartz.
And I am Assistant Principal of the Day, K2A, with this week's announcements. 4th grade McGaw Strings rehearsal is on Monday at 2:30 p.m.
2nd grade is going on their teacher experience to Let's Go Paint on Monday.
5th grade awards is on Monday at 5 p.m.
Congratulations, 5th graders. 5th grade classes are visiting high school chemistry labs on Tuesday. Have fun.
5th grade McGaw Strings rehearsal is on Tuesday at 2:30 p.m.
The 9th annual Griff Friends event is on Wednesday at 2:30 p.m. at the high school.
Sea Lion Awards is all day on Thursday. Congratulations.
4th grade is going on their trip to Sacramento on Friday morning. Enjoy your trip.
Friday is a student-free day, and Monday is a holiday. Enjoy your 4-day weekend.
Happy Memorial Day. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Right on.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Let's kick things off by celebrating UTK student Thomas Peterson Barker. Miss LeBounty said that Thomas had a great day and was very helpful. He is a model student. Way to go, Thomas.
Kindergarten.
Miss Melissa wants to shout out kindergarten student Abram Smith. She said that Abram saw a friend fall down, so he helped her up and brought her to a teacher. That's what a caring person does here at the School by the Sea.
1st grade.
The teacher of the day, Miss Pardon, wants to celebrate 1st grader Addison Van de Wingard. She said that Addison was doing a great job with her writing, and she was a great role model for everyone else. Way to go, Addison.
2nd grade.
Miss Lee wants to celebrate 2nd grader Amelia Ramirez. She said that Amelia was an enthusiastic and spirited docent for Room 14's Wax Museum. Great job.
3rd grade.
Mrs. Jenks wants to shout out 3rd grader Grayson Chen. She said that he picked up a handful of beanbag stuffing that was all over the floor. Thanks for being so helpful in the media center.
4th grade.
Miss Natalie wants to celebrate 4th grader Ryan G. She said that Ryan found some glasses at the lunch benches, so he turned them in to the lost and found. Way to go, Ryan.
5th grade.
And finally, Miss Amari wants to shout out 5th grader Ariel Lewis. She said that Ariel was a model student in STEM Lab. Way to go. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.